Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will teach you exercise 2.3 of NCERT decimals and fractions. We will do question number 4 in this video, and we have already completed question 1 to question 3 of this exercise in my previous videos. And if you have not watched that video, then please go to my channel and watch that video. I also upload tips and tricks video of how to become a human calculator just like Shakuntala Devi. And if you want to increase your calculation speed in mathematics, then please visit the channel and watch that video. So let's start this video with question number 4. In this video we have to find out which is greater. It means there are two situations, that is, first we will multiply these numbers with each other, and in the next situation we will multiply these numbers with each other, and whatever the answer we will get after multiplying these numbers, we will compare those numbers and will find out which fraction is greater. So first we will do the first part, that is we have to multiply 2 upon 7 with 3 upon 4. So if you see that 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. We can cut this number with each other very easily. So our answer would be 3 upon 14. That is 3 multiplied by 1 is 3 and 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. So now we will do this part, that is we have to multiply 3 upon 5 with 5 upon 8. And if you see that this 5 and this 5 can be easily cut with each other, and so our answer would be 3 upon 8. Now we have these two numbers, that is 3 upon 14 and 3 upon 8, and we have to find out which number is greater. And in order to compare any fraction, first we have to make the denominator same by taking the LCM of the denominator values. Then we will compare with the numerator values. So in order to compare this fraction, we have to make the denominator same. So how we will make this denominator same, that is, here the number is 3 upon 14, and in order to make the denominator same, here the denominator is 8 and in this the denominator is 14, and in order to make the denominator same, there are two methods. First you can take the LCM of 14 and 8, and whatever the LCM you will get, make the denominator equals to that LCM. And the another way is that here the number is 14 and the number is 8. So if you want to make the denominator same, this number is 14 in the denominator, so you can multiply with the 8 with this denominator value, that is 8. So multiply 8 with both the values, that is the numerator as well as the denominator. So if you see that 18 multiplied by 3 is 24 and 14 multiplied by 8 is 112. So in the same way, this number is 3 upon 8, and we have to make the denominator 112 just like the same denominator. So what you will do, you have to multiply this denominator value, that is 14, by the numerator as well as with the denominator. So 14 multiplied by 3 is 42 and 14 multiplied by 8 is 102. And 14 multiplied by 8 is 112. So if you see, now we have the same denominator values. What we have done, we have taken the number, that is 3 upon 14, and multiply this number by this denominator, by the second number of the denominator. And in the second number, that is 3 upon 8, what we have done, we have multiplied the numbers with this denominator, that is 14, in order to make the denominator same. Now we have the denominator same, that is 112. Now it is very easy to compare this number, which one is greater. So if you see in the numerator, it is 24 and here it is 42. So 42 is greater than 24. So it means 3 upon 8 is greater than 3 upon 14, which means that this part is greater than this part, because when we solved this part we got 3 upon 8, and when we solved this part we got 3 upon 14, and 3 upon 8 is greater than 3 upon 14. So this part is greater than this part. So our second part is, it is the same part. First we will multiply this number and then we will multiply this number, and we will make the denominator same in order to compare those fractions. So if you see that first we have to multiply this number and then we will multiply this number. So 1 upon 2 multiplied by 6 upon 7, and it is easily cut with the 2, that is 2 1 ja 2 and 2 3 ja 6. And in the numerator we will get the answer 3, and in the denominator we get 7. So our answer is 3 upon 7. Now we will do the second part, that is 2 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 7. We can easily cut this 3 with 3 and we got 2 upon 7. Now in this question we do not need to make the denominator same because it is already same, because if you see that in this the denominator is 7 and in this the denominator is 7, so we can easily compare these fractions with each other. So if you see in the numerator it is 3 and here it is 2, so 3 is greater than 2. So 3 upon 7 is greater than 2 upon 7. It means this part is greater than this part. This first part is greater than this part. So this video is completed, and in the next video we will do the other questions of this exercise. So please hit the like button and subscribe my channel.